Ever wondered if you have followers on eBay like you do on Instagram or X? While eBay doesn't have a direct follower system you can count like social media, you can definitely track beer interest and engagement with your listings. Think of it this way: instead of followers, eBay tracks watchers. When a potential beer clicks the Watch This Item button on your listing, they're showing interest. You can't see a list of these specific individuals, but you can see how many people are watching a particular item. To get a feel for this engagement, head over to your eBay Seller Hub. Navigate to the Performance tab. Here, you'll often find insights into your listing's activity, including views and saved preferences. Look for metrics like listing views. A consistent or increasing number of views indicates that buyers are finding and exploring your products. This is a key indicator of interest, even without a direct follower count. Another way to gauge interest is through the Offers to Buyers feature. If you've sent offers to potential buyers who have watched your items, you can see if those offers are being opened and responded to. This shows direct engagement from interested parties. While not a direct follower metric, positive feedback and high star ratings are also strong indicators of beer satisfaction and repeat interest. Buyers who have a good experience are more likely to keep an eye on your future listings. So, while you won't find a "how many followers do I have" button on eBay, focusing on listing views and engagement through features like Watch This Item and Offers to Buyers will give you a clear picture of how much interest your products are generating. Keep these tips in mind for #eBayTips and boosting your hashtag engagement.